Okay, so I think this is just okay. So let me check if I'm online or not and if I'm audible or not. There are the okay. Uh, so I think I am while I am checking my channel, I can see that here it is. The live symbol is there. For checking third party, I'll just okay. Here it is. So I'll just third party. I'll okay. So it is working. Here we are with another live. It is day 6 of same project that we are working from day 0. Here are things that first I need to. There are things that I need to. Okay. Things I need to first like clarify or work on them. We have a front. We have a middleware. Okay, but the logic that we have is more or less working. But problem is here is problem is this. We don't know it is really working. How I put it, like it has to work like that or not. As I did not have write the Java code here, so understanding will not build on it that much. Uh, Check if this is RAML model result, old result, new RAML model builder, build API. Hold on. Okay. Hester system printable code RAML parse error. Wow. Okay. It's checking for it. Old API structure, debug new API structure, it is logging. And once it do, we have compare new API tabs, diff, list, string, diff, new array list, compare tab, global ties, user order structure, compare resource recursively, resource new API resource, diffs, okay, catch, debug helpers, okay, come not println, if global ties count, if it is not equals to null, if it is size, okay, it is checking for it, then the things that you are checking, like code is so long, okay, it is doing global type comparisons, and after that we have resource comparison recursive, then we have a URI parameter comparison fix 4 that is built on we have last day build it using Java, now using Claude, okay, so Claude had write the whole code here, and method comparison it is doing, okay, enum value comparison, okay, so I'll just use Gemini to generate two structure files, and maybe it can help us to debug it. Okay, help us to average Indian. Yeah, bro, average Indian. It's all average, I think. I did not get triggered by this comment. Like, I'm not gonna because maybe still I'm doing something better than you. So maybe I'm not. Then it's all good. Yeah, thank you for commenting. And if you need any help or like something else, we'll work on it. You can talk me here. This is my LinkedIn. You can send me a request here and we can talk on it later. Currently, I'm just building a detection system, and as I don't know Java, okay, I am not fluent in Java. I just understand how code is working. So I am just going to generate some test cases to test it. Okay. Okay, RAM and comparator to Java. Just okay. Okay, here is my Java code. Code. Give me old RAML and a new RAML that has issues. This code will compare them, compare both, and give me expected output as well. Gustas Puraj, what is his name? Oscar, Gustas, Precious, ah, let's go. The challenge looking can be robust successfully mapped out all the critical contracts that were typed using and I had to copy and paste terms to trigger every single one of those checks, followed by the exact JSON output which our code will generate. Move file, HTML, and new copy it, paste it, not pan, paste, get it. Okay, we have it. Now we'll just go and test output will create mock RAML string. Enable new RAM. Okay, here it is. Old RAML. This one is old RAML. Sorry, this one is old RAML. And this one is 1.0, 1.1.0. This one is old RAML, okay. So here it is. One is old RAML. RAML. Okay, so my roommate makes some joke out there, and I'm just sitting in front of them. That's why I got in laugh mode that because they, he just built up so much. My other roommate fell for it, and they they made the joke so funny. Okay, schema field ID changed. Okay, breaking schema field name removed schema field status and had inner value inactive schema new optional schema field feature type new global type product from URI param now carry param user ID. It this will break existing clients and okay header removed X client ID on get and I removed X client ID you get schema field ID changed. Breaking schema field ID change type from. Okay, there are breaking changes, more breaking changes than this. Okay, schema, breaking schema level schema field name removed from small. Change type breaking. It is so much here, yeah. Last one is endpoint added invoice, endpoint removed orders, new HTTP method, patch, delete, get users user ID, that is same. This 404 100 or 200 on get resource. Okay, 200 on get resource user ID. Let response 200 on get user ID. Let it response 200 get user ID. Client sending this valuable getters. Okay, and the schema client depending on this field will break. I even did not know what I have made. Oh, so I'll just check on it. I'm getting. The- It didn't just tell you that user touch and it took all the way down. It told you that ID field inside the user. It was and that is affected on the get user and parentheses level to front end. A clear picture for your Java engine officially complete. You have successfully built the train of your drift. It's time to bring that beautiful flowchart to a real tool and we need to tie or exchange this Java into one seamless production. So you want to build the basics here. Do the XML has the master passing the API, the crossroads choice router. Okay, I have Flow. Um, I have completed. अबे डरा क्यों रहा है यार? ये इतना तेज चिल्लाया मैं डर गया. Okay, so uh, sometimes having roommate is not that great. Sometimes it just they do some shitty stuff and you have to clean their mess. Today is that day. Okay, just copy it, send it to him, and unless it is to do some minute and some error and a minute. Should I approach it or it needs something else? Ah man, I'm just so tired. I don't think there's someone else. Average, he listed average Indian, okay, in chat, and it is like average. He doesn't even like spelled average precisely how it should be, but maybe I don't know. Person success progress, database operation, custom Java execution. Before we dive into it, handling a minute, there's in your current XML that needs to figure it is a classic data structure that needs fixing. If in your choice router you are using the DB select, fetch the old RAML and remove your SQL queries by name a version. Okay, your SQL queries here. Because an API is made of multiple files, the root YAML that traces the query returns array of objects, multiple rows. Your Java compare method strictly to string variables. The root YAML file, if you pass the new local, it will crash with a type mismatch. The fix, you need to filter the SQL query to only grab the main root file and then pass just the YAML string to Java. And I don't think so because we have tested with previous logic. Okay, it is working. It is working, and we are just getting a parse error. Yeah, and just copy and paste over your existing ones. Voice router, paste there is no version to compare it. First old version is not equals to null. Old root RAM database config old root schema where API name and partner root file limit one. Where the fuck this root file came in? West.api name plus plus dot ramen. Ah, it is not gonna work. Okay, it it may maybe work. Maybe can work. But how? Okay, we are comparing just the root file here, na? Then it makes sense. Otherwise, it is not. I have a question here. Question here. If we just extract the root file, how how we are gonna determine what changed in reference file as most of the things file as most of the things ना going to होता है ठीक है going to return what changes in reference file most of the things as most of the things can you just extract the root how we are going to determine what changed in reference file uh, most of the things referenced from root to types root root some it doesn't like think how we think okay how humans think that's why in my humble AI can't replace me or it can okay I did not know I just shown my bare feet here because there are mosquitoes that lurking around here for my blood. Yeah, mostly I just got a massive advice for a simple single file API, but your health care API uses include and uses to reference states rather than data. If we only pass the root string to Java's parser, it will yes because it has no idea where to find the reference file. It can't magically query your MySQL database to get them. Like they need to build what is actually a fake hard drive in memory. Passing just a root string, we are going to pass a map dictionary of that was and then we teach the Java parser how to read from the map instead of a real hard drive. This is exactly how we upgrade the flow to handle complex multi-file RAML projects. Revert the database queries. We need to go back to fetching all the root in your chase out of data. अरे यार ये तो हाय खाना हो गया क्या भाई यह इंसाइक्लोपीडिया भाई हो गया है खाना आप बताओ कैसे हो मैं तो बढ़िया हूँ मैं हमेशा ही अच्छा रहता हूँ यार मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम साल के 365 दिन में से 4 दिन अच्छा ही रहता हूँ कुछ कुछ दिन आते हैं जिनमें दिमाग खराब हो जाता है बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम बढ़िया ही रहता हूँ और ये तो मैं क्या करता हूँ एक यहाँ पे लगाएगा होगा ठीक है मैंने यहाँ लगा दिया कुकर और इसमें क्या है मैंने ओल्ड रैमल करके वो लगाया हुआ है मैसेज में मैं यहाँ डाल देता हूँ पेलोड इन्फो काफ़ी रहेगा मैं कंट्रोल एस करता हूँ टूल्स में जा रही है रिक्वेस्ट और क्लियर करते हैं इसे भाई खाना हो गया है बढ़िया हम लोगों ने मतलब मेरा रूममेट है वो बना देता है मैं थोड़ा सा प्रिपरेशन कर देता हूँ फिर एक जन बर्तन मांज देता है तो हम लोग का बढ़िया हो जाता है काम धाम और सब बाकी सब बढ़िया ही है बिल्ड होने में थोड़ा टाइम लगने लगा है आजकल पता नहीं क्या हो गया जब से स्टूडियो अपग्रेड किया हूँ थोड़ा सा स्लो चलने लगा स्टूडियो बट स्टिल 40-60 कैन हैंडल एनीथिंग सो दैट्स आई बॉट दिस बीस्ट okay test is giving us uh so I think it is test only now okay let me find it the new no there's no new version to compare I need to just go to XML and where is this? Okay, it is below here. Where is this? When here is this when expression. I just need to control shift slash and I do control S and we'll build one more time and now we have our database output in a logger. So we can see it. Okay. Uh, oh. I think like things are working great, but just when I thought it is just it broke. Okay. When I thought everything is going good, then it broke. Now I don't know where we are. क्या हो रहा है यार ये? I broke something again. फिर दिखाना है क्या इसको? Know what happened? API, input.properties, it all good. Let me just restart my studio, maybe sometimes do lag or do bugs, and there are bugs like that. Mm. 1000 MB. All good, message flow is good, payload is good, loggers are there. What I need to do is now just comment this test flow out. Okay. Here fetching pages. Hi, Mira. Fine. Okay, so guys, mm, ne- why did Jason? Why it is 200 okay and it is not giving me what? बट भाई कौन किया है वो, उसका नाम कौन सेव किया है? काहे वे कर देना भाई। हाँ वैसे भी ट्रू कॉलर तो अपने ही उससे सिंक करता है ना, कांटेक्ट उससे खत्म हो जाएगा। हाँ वहां नहीं देखना। हाँ। पूरा क्या आया है, पूरा दिखाइयो। हाँ सही में हटवाना भी है और पूरा वो भी पेलना है इसको। एक जनरल सेलेक्ट ऑपरेशन किया था मैंने, 6 स्टार फ्रॉम एपीआई नेम इज इक्वल टू एन डीपी वजह। कैसे मच्छर काट। Oh, select from schemas. I'll just paste it here, and this part I will. Now I just want to know what is coming out. Okay, okay. I'll save it, let it build, and once it is, we'll send another request. So not how to handle this, either not initialize. How? How this shit is? Okay, we have logger. We start it, clear it out. I think I'm saving this in something, that's why. Okay, old RAML is used for west dot old RAML to control process, and now we can check what the ठीक है, got it. Now send another request here, and we got our output. Okay, so into I am getting my RAML output from DB. Like, I don't think I need to change it. Think I need to change it so I can compare it in Java. Compare it in Java invoke function. Amiya. I can write that your data. blind to your databases. What happens if you don't change the Java function? You feed the root RAML string prior appear to the Java parser. The Java parser starts reading it and they use this parse some module. The parser immediately soft says, okay, I need to go find this standard Java library. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to Claude. Okay, I will go to Claude. If can you configure it, it compare it both, compare it both, compare it. Okay, this whole Java code to work with DB output like this one, uh, this one, this one, as my flow is fetching old and new both RAML from database. Right. And output is like same as output is DB output is like same as pasted our time for DB output like same as pasted over. After that, it will compare using given Java code to find. I think it will take some time. Contents size exceed the limit by reducing the number of files of conversation. Huh? से नहीं होती, जिसमें मल्टीपल चीजें करनी होती है वेट लिफ्टिंग के साथ बाकी सब चीजें भी। हाँ। हम्म, मैं रनिंग, मतलब कैलिस्थेनिक वगैरह सब चीज होता है। अरे, काहे? अबे ये मच्छर उड़ रहा है सामने। Japanese superior than all of this shit here. Okay, if this works, then maybe it will just stuck in an infinite loop because it is just uh I don't know. Mm, Suppo, I don't know. Die Thursday. Mm, Well, much. हैं? What does it mean basically, sir? Point. Mm. Basically, what we need is a data about an array of files. We just need to provide Java with a map or dictionary. How to read from it using the resource loader because you are mentioned Java. Isn't a primary language everything is that Java couldn't confirm as the source. Does any of the incredible comparison logic this here? Paste Java file. बिल्डिंग पे अटैक करने वाला है ना, कौन सा वहां थोड़ी ना अटैक, डेटा सेंटर पे थोड़ी ना अटैक करेगा जो तेरे सर्वर गिर जाए। हम्म। हाँ, और वैसे भी डेटा सेंटर तो एशिया में भी है, कहाँ से यहाँ पे होगा। अपने आसपास को पे लेगा सबको थोड़ी ना। वही तो। हाँ, सांप बना हुआ है। Check the method now expecting everything stops thing. मेरे को तो ऐसा ही देश पसंद है, पर मैं कसम से बता रहा हूँ भाई, ज्यादा हो हल्ला नहीं होता है, सीधे सीधे ऐसा ऐसा करेंगे और बम गिरा देंगे थोड़ी देर बाद। हाँ भाई। बच्चा सो को तो बचा। मेरे को ऐसा ही पसंद है भाई। ज्यादा चूतियापा उतियापा नहीं कि ये कर देंगे वो कर देंगे, जरा कर देंगे खत्म। भाई चच्चा सही था भाई, चच्चा सही था। The Java compare method now is written by strings to human update that inside a mute flow. In your Java flow update then works static computer match this exactly. That is, you can directly tell the parser exactly which files the root to start reading from. Mm, okay, well this up you can direct pass those bit or data right into the flow data will quick number them. Pass them to Java and the okay, so कैसे ये लोल। अबे डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर भाई, सही में काम कर रहा हूँ, समझा कर थोड़ा। तू ही डिस्टर्ब करता है बस, और कोई यहाँ कुछ बोलता भी नहीं है, तू ही है साले कलुए। नहीं रहे ना उस कमरे जब भाग। ए बैग कहाँ ले जा रहा है देख ना। बैग छोड़ दे भाई, उसमें कंट्रोलर, बैग मत कर कंट्रोलर उसमें। 1000 रुपए। ठीक है भाई। अभी उसका अभी अभी उस कमरे में जाके हम किफिन का डब्बा फोड़ देंगे जो चेहरे पे लगाता रहता है। अरे नियर बाय शेयर से भेज लेता भाई, सैमसंग ड्रॉप भी है उससे भेज लेता। क्विक शेयर सर्च कर। नियर बाय शेयर डायरेक्टली नहीं चलता है। ठीक है भाई, तुम लोग करो। Okay, so I think that's all, and I save it. I save it. Building now. Mm, डाउनलोड करना पड़ता है, उससे काम करता है। इसका जो नियर बाय शेयर है वो सैमसंग के मोबाइल से काम करेगा, जो हम चारों में किसी के पास नहीं है। ए सैमसंग की सस्ती कॉपी साढ़े हिसाब से रहा कर। साहिल इधर माल, मच्छर बैठे इधर मार, मच्छर बैठे। पूरा दिन का है साहिल, पूरा दिन टाइम पास करा लूं। Guys, I think this is all that is all the whole thing that we can do. At I think I have to be live some more time, but don't know, man. Maybe I can wait for some time. Uh, and the problem that I have faced, fetching is ML. My logic is done here. We just need something. Uh, because I think this is all that work I need, or like what I need to do. And this thing is good. Maybe I just make another repository and push it there. Then we'll be like, yeah, I'll just open my GitHub. GitHub. I will like create a repository here. Create new repository. Repository name is, I forgot it. मिनट चला दिया है इसको। इतना तकलीफ। हाँ भाई। कौन हो भाई? जयंत शर्मा भाई? उठानी पड़ेगी भाई, तकलीफ सबके लिए उठाना पड़ता है। ये, ये तेरी तरह खड़ा हुआ। आप तो भी देख ले मैं तेरी वीडियो। Okay, so I think today's live till now I'll just end it and we'll tomorrow. Okay, thank you everyone who has just joined, and thank you Jayant Sharma for commenting, and Encyclopedia Then there is this Gustas. I did not able to name him, so thank you everyone.